ביאור משנה ט', explanation for the ninth Mishnah. כל שבעת הימים של חג הסוכות, the entire 7 days of the holiday of Sukkot, אדם עושה סוכתו קבע וביתו ארעי. A person makes his sukkah the main place and his house the temporary place.
הנה המשנה מפורסמת שהוא בא למזוג לו והוא זורק לו. Very famous.
שיהיה עיקר דירתו בסוכה. He needs to have his main dwelling place inside the sukkah. בברייתא בגמרא מבואר, in the Braita in the Gemara it says, כיצד? It says, what does it mean you have to make your sukkah the main place? היו לו כלים נאים. He has nice vessels. So what do we do with them? He doesn't leave these nice vessels in the house and he takes the bad vessels into the sukkah. He takes all the big china closet and he puts it where? Up on the roof, in the sukkah. Ma'alan la sukkah. He puts them in the sukkah. Matzaot naot. He's got nice sheets, you know, the Egyptian whatever. Yeah, ma'alan la sukkah. He puts the nice sheet in the sukkah. Ochel v'shoto u'metayel basukah. He spends his time where? In the sukkah. U'meshanen basukah. He learns in the sukkah. Yardu kshamim. What if the weather starts to become bad, starts to rain? Me'matay mutar lefanot. When is it the time that he's allowed to say, okay, I can go in, or to take out all the stuff from the sukkah in order for them not to get ruined or whatever? Et hakelim min hasukkah. When is it allowed to take all the vessels from the sukkah velatzet metocha, and to go out from it? So it says, Meshetisrach hamakpeh. When the makpeh will become not good. What's that? Meshitkadkel hatavshil. Let's say you have a cooked food and you eat in the sukkah. From the time that this cooked food is going to, nobody's going to eat it. There's too much water in it. Yeah, there's too much water in it. You can eat. Mitipot hagshami shenichnasu letocho. From the rain that will come into it. So in other words, if it just drizzles, stay in the sukkah. Not a problem. But makpeh, what's a makpeh? Tavshil samich me'en daisa. It is like daisa. How do you say daisa in English?
Oatmeal.
Like oatmeal, for example. When it's too much, it becomes too watery. It doesn't taste good. Then you can go. But it's just a few drizzles. Not the end of the world. Mashlu mashal. They gave a mashal, an analogy. It says, why do you have to go out of the sukkah? It says, stay. What do you mean? Lema hadavar domeh. It says, what is similar when it rains in Sukkot? כשיורדים גשמים בחג, when it rains in the holiday, וצריכים לתת מן הסוכה, and it is necessary to go out from the sukkah. למה זה דומה? What is it like? לעבד, it is similar לעבד שבא למזוג כוס לרבו. It's like a servant who comes to pour a glass to his master, ושפך לו קיטון על פניו, and the master threw it in his face. The water. ושפך לו רבו את המשקה שבקיטון על פניו, and the master threw it on his face. כמי שאומר, it is like as if God says, איני רוצה בשימושך, I don't want you to serve me. כך הגשמים היורדים בחג הסוכות, just this is the same thing. When it rains in the holiday of Sukkot, מראים, it shows שאין מעשיהם של ישראל רוצים לפני הקדוש ברוך הוא. That God is not happy with our conduct. He says, I don't want you to serve me. Get out of my face. Okay.